Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting practical. Learn Python, core math, and basic ML libraries. Start one end-to-end project now so you can show a complete cycle from raw data to deployed model. Once done, push code to Git, write a concise README, and host results on a simple portfolio page. Make sure to track experiments and metrics. Employers want reproducible evidence, not vague claims. This practical foundation accelerates interviews and gives you real talking points. Once your foundation is solid, specialize in one domain and complete 2 focused projects that showcase depth, say NLP pipelines or production CV models. Make contributions to open source or write clear notebooks and model cards so others can review your work. Simultaneously, network. Reach out for informational chats, ask for referrals, and tailor your resume to each role, highlighting measurable impact. This combination of depth, visibility, and targeted outreach turns passive You close by preparing interviews. Rehearse ML system design, case studies, and coding problems for several weeks, using timed mock interviews. Once you receive offers, evaluate role scope, equity, and learning opportunities rather than only salary, and negotiate accordingly. If progress stalls, proactively request feedback from interviewers, iterate on your portfolio based on critiques, and expand your networking target by 20 relevant contacts. This troubleshooting loop, feedback, revise, reach out, usually breaks plateaus and leads to offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.